What's up guys, welcome to VD Workshop YouTube channel. Guys, do you worry about scratching or accident on your car while parking? Do you want emergency recording for your car? Do you have old car which doesn't have backup camera? Then watch this video. In this video I am going to do unboxing and complete setup of VanTop mirror dash cam for cars. Box looks very simple. It packed really well. Let's open the box. If you can see, this is 10-inch mirror. It has enhanced night vision with Sony Starvis sensor. This is backup camera kit. Cable is long enough. Trim tool, cleaning clothes, 3M adhesive pad, rubber mounting strap, screw, and car charger come with the box. User manual has complete instruction to install and set up mirror dash camera. Before you install, take out the plastic from touchscreen display. Same thing from the front camera. If you can see, front camera is easily movable. Let's mount the camera with rubber. You can adjust it as per your need. Let me plug in the car charger with mirror dash cam to power up. Install memory card for the storage. Let me power on the display from bottom switch. Wow, look at the resolution, it's very clear. Let me show you the settings option. For resolutions, there are two options, 2K and 1080p. For loop recording, you can choose 1, 3 or 5 minutes. Audio on off, time lapse, you can choose it as per your need. Driving mode has different sensors, sensitivity settings. Same thing for the parking mode. You can store your license number here. There is option for sleep mode and code, frequency, USB mode as well. Tap sound option for on and off speaker, low, medium, high. On off sound for music, streaming media. Different language options are available. You can format your SD card, factory reset, check the version from here. I covered pretty much all the settings. You can hide the cable easily. Let me show you real quick. This is the kit for backup camera. This is the slot where you plug in the backup camera. Hiding the backup camera cable is also very easy. Let me show you real quick. I got the cable through trunk and mount it at the back. Let's go for a quick ride to see how it works. You can simply switch front and back camera with the slide on the display. You can see the front photo, pictures, video from the storage here. I took out memory card and copied the storage in my PC. You can see clarity is so good. I can read the number plate as well of my front car, but I have hide it. As you can see, reverse parking is so easy. Backup camera also works great. If you have any question regarding this dash cam, you can leave a comment on this video. I would say must buy if you have an old car or safety and security reason. Amazon link is provided on video description. Thank you for watching this video and we'll see you next time.